Probably needs
at the same time. You got to do them both.
Huh?
You got it. Oh, you got it open. Okay, sorry, I didn't see. I was looking through the lens.
Which target do you want me to blast?
Take whatever one you want.
Get the metal one high up on the left.
Metal, that one over there?
Yeah. Yeehaw.
Mm.
You rattled it.
That one?
That one. You rattled it.
Cleaning out the wax.
Yeah. Got a ring there. It was just in the right spot. A ringy dingy doo doo.
Which other one do you want?
The white lid.
White lid?
I pepper that bastard. Oh, the monkey shot.
Got her. Now the double lid.
I wedged it in there good.
Oh, I love that
I know,
smell.
eh?
There's something about that
Yeah.
smell.
Dynamite's even better.
There's just something about that smell. It does something
So
for
with
me.
the double lid,
Yeah,
do you want the small one or the bottom one?
doesn't matter.
Which one do you want? It doesn't matter which
I
one.
want them to spin around clockwise 8 times and then flip over backwards once.
We'll see about that.
If you can't do that, then you shouldn't even be out here.
Small one. Oh, damn it. Helps if you cock the gun.
That's funny.
You said cock.
Oh, you did rattle that top prick too, eh?
Yeah, she's a good shot.
Which one now?
That top one, blow it right off. One on the left. Top, blow it off there.
Go off?
Now
Yeah.
you need to slam a slug in there and nail that top one, send it fucking 50 feet behind. Patwang! Nice when you do that.
Here you go, baby. Put a slug in it. Knock it hard.
Never hit it from here.
Give me a slug then.
Okay.
Okay. Just give me the box. And keep filming.
Oh yeah. There's a couple slugs.
So the top one disintegrate?
Yeah. It's a slug, so you should be able to blow it right off there.
Oh.
Nice.
You
Oh,
are
listen to
fucking mental. Fucking mental. I would have bet money on that. A lot of fucking money. A lot of fucking money. No way. Fucking hit that tree.
I fucking hit the target.
Fucking did.
You want to try skeet style?
Cock sucker with a fucking slug. Pardon my language.
Wow.